So today is May 26th. Should we check on the bluebirds today? We got 5 eggs in here. So let's see what we're doing. Okay. 1, 4, 5. Okay. Well, I would feel them if they were warm. But well, I hear thunder in the distance. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to be a bad deal. Bluebirds in the front yard. Okay. I love these Gilberts and Bluebird boxes. There's a lot of people who think the Gilberts and Bluebird boxes are too small. But let me explain something. That there is a hollow log with a large hole. On the fence is another piece of my version of a Peterson house. It's bigger, more room. I've got natural logs. I've got wooden boxes. Bluebirds can pick what they want. They always pick the Gilbertsons. Let the birds decide. They know better than we do. We may look and say, oh, this is big enough, they need more room. But let them decide. They know better. Till next time.